1. Check out this beautiful 1984 Buick Regal Limited that I have the pleasure of showcasing in my latest video. This classic car is currently up for sale for just $5,000 and is a great find for any vintage car enthusiast. The exterior of this car is a stunning burgundy color that is sure to turn heads wherever you go. The paint job is in great condition and has a nice shine to it. The interior of the car is also burgundy and is in good condition, although the headliner is starting to come down. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.8 non-turbo V6 engine that runs smoothly and is paired with an automatic transmission. The car does need some attention to the brake lines and fuel lines as they are rusty, but the frame is in good shape, and the car overall is in good condition. This car has a clean title and is a great candidate for an LS swap. It's a nice older Buick Regal that is ready for a new owner to take it on some exciting adventures. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 2. Take a look at this wonderful 1969 Buick Riviera Big Block, listed for sale at $4,950. This car comes in a golden color both on the exterior and interior and has already traveled 97,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. It has had 3 or more owners and is now fully paid with a clean history and no significant damages or issues. This Buick Riviera is equipped with a restored Buick Big Block 430 engine that runs flawlessly. The engine has undergone a complete overhaul and has been professionally serviced to ensure its durability and reliability. I believe it has a 10-bolt Posey rear axle, providing excellent traction and handling. The frame of this car is clean and it has a clear history and title. This means you can be confident that the car has not been involved in serious accidents or had other issues that could affect its safety or reliability. This car is perfect for classic car enthusiasts looking to undertake a restoration project or use its excellent chassis in another project. It needs some restoration, but its engine and chassis are in excellent condition, making it an ideal candidate for restoration. Additionally, this Buick Riviera boasts a unique and classic design that will turn heads on any road. Its golden color and luxurious interior create a unique atmosphere that will attract the attention of all classic car enthusiasts. Overall, this big block presents a unique opportunity to become the owner of a classic car at an incredible price. Don't miss this chance and contact the seller today to learn more about this remarkable car. 3. Do you love vintage cars? Then you'll definitely appreciate this 1979 Mercury Cougar XR7, currently available for purchase at $11,900. This car is in excellent condition and its body looks great. The paint is bright and well preserved, and the original aluminum wheels are fitted with good tires. The interior is also in good condition, although the front seat needs recharging. The original AM/FM 8-track sound system works perfectly, adding to the car's appeal for retro enthusiasts. This Mercury is equipped with a 351 cubic inch engine with power steering, making it an excellent car for driving. It has only 97,567 miles on the odometer, indicating that it is in excellent working condition and ready to hit the road. This car is a true classic and will be a perfect addition to any vintage car collection. Don't miss the opportunity to become its owner today. 4. Do you love classic cars? Then you can't pass by this wonderful 1970 Volkswagen Beetle, currently available for $6,300. This car has a white exterior and a black interior, creating a unique and memorable appearance. This Volkswagen Beetle is equipped with a manual transmission and has a mileage of only 50,000 miles, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a reliable and durable car. Additionally, this car is fully paid for and has a clean history, ensuring you can trust its quality and condition. Recently, new tires, all new sealing gaskets, and a new aluminum trim were installed, making it look like new. Moreover, the car has many additional features that make it even more appealing. This Beetle is perfect for collectors, classic car enthusiasts, or anyone who wants to have a unique and memorable car. Don't miss this opportunity and grab this wonderful car today. 5. The 1967 Lincoln Continental Coupe Hardtop is a true classic and a rare find in such excellent condition. With only 2 owners and a clean title, this car is a dream come true for any vintage car enthusiast. The exterior is a stunning burgundy color that is sure to turn heads, while the black interior is in very good condition. The car has only been driven 9,900 miles and the automatic transmission runs smoothly. The fuel type is gasoline, and the car is in very good condition with no significant damage or problems. The car is paid off, and the title is clean. The car is factory equipment all the way, minus the carburetor, which was unfortunately lost by the last shop that had the car. However, this is a minor issue that can easily be remedied. With less than 10K reads on the odometer, this car is an amazing starting point for something special. It is a true work of art on wheels and is sure to be a standout in any collection. The asking price of $15,000 is a steal for such a rare and beautiful car. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 6. If you're a fan of vintage cars, then you're going to love this 1973 Cadillac Eldorado that's currently up for sale. With only 35,000 miles on the odometer, this one-owner vehicle is in excellent condition and has a clean title. The exterior is a beautiful brown color, while the interior is a classic tan that's sure to transport you back in time. This car is equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The seller notes that the vehicle has no significant damage or problems and that the floors and front-wheel drive are solid. The only issue to note is that the passenger fender will need a little bodywork, and the battery died while the car was at auction. However, these are minor issues that are to be expected with a car of this age, and they certainly don't detract from its overall value. At $5,500, this Cadillac is a steal. Whether you're a collector or just someone who appreciates classic cars, this Eldorado is sure to turn heads and make a great addition to your collection. So don't wait, come take a look at this beautiful car today. 7. Attention all vintage car enthusiasts. Feast your eyes on this stunning 1968 Ford Fairlane 500 currently up for sale for just $13,000. With only 3,000 miles driven, this beauty is in pristine condition and ready to hit the road. The exterior is a gleaming white, with an excellent paint job that will turn heads wherever you go. The interior is a classic blue, with brand new carpet and an original back seat that is still in excellent shape. The front seats do need to be redone, but that's a small price to pay for a car that has been so well taken care of. Under the hood, you'll find a rebuilt 302 engine, along with a plus 30 aluminum radiator. The fuel tank has been resealed and the front end is all new. The car has just been aligned and a new front windshield has been installed. The bright LED dash lights add a modern touch to this vintage beauty. The only things this car needs are new door panels and a new power steering hose. The seller has already bought a new hose, but it needs a different end on one side because the power steering pump is from a 1987 Ford. But don't let that deter you. This car runs great and looks amazing. It could easily be a daily driver. The ugly wheels may not be to everyone's taste, but they're brand new and come with brand new tires. So you can rest assured that you'll be riding in style and safety. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 8. I am thrilled to present to you this stunning 1959 Ford F100, currently up for sale for just $6,950. This beauty has been driven 100,000 miles and is still in great running condition. With its automatic transmission and 292 V8 engine, you'll be cruising down the highway in style. The exterior of this truck is coated in black primer, giving it a rugged and classic look. While it may need a bit more bodywork if you plan on painting it, the seller assures us that there is very little rust. The floors are solid and the roof has been recently replaced, so you won't have to worry about any rust problems there. Step inside, and you'll find a sleek black interior that perfectly complements the exterior. All electrical components are in working order except for the wipers, which can easily be replaced. The current registration and clean California title make this truck an excellent investment for any collector. Overall, this 1959 Ford F100 is a fantastic find for anyone looking for a reliable and stylish vintage truck. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 9. Attention all vintage car enthusiasts. I am thrilled to present to you this 1979 Chrysler LeBaron Medallion, a true gem that has been sitting behind a house for 30 years. This car has been driven 100,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. The exterior color is a stunning red, which perfectly complements the red interior. This vehicle runs on gasoline and has a clean title. The current owner has invested a significant amount of time and money into this car, and it shows. The original 2L 318 CI engine and 904 automatic transmission are in excellent condition. The car is well equipped with cold AC, all-power features, tilt wheel, delay wipers, and will come with the original 15-styled road wheels. The exterior of the car has been wet sanded with 3K to even out and give it a matte finish. The car has new front and rear brakes, fuel system, cooling, transmission, adjusted bands and pressure shifts nice, R134, ice cold, and more. The car runs strong, has good oil pressure, doesn't smoke, and gets 20 mpg. While the car does have some interior and cosmetic needs, it is being sold for a very reasonable price of $3,500 with room for negotiation. This car is the perfect base for someone to start getting into the collector car world or a first car to learn on. It is different, cheap, and a cool old V8 driver. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 10. Feast your eyes on this beautiful 1972 Chevrolet Nova, now available for sale. This four-door sedan is in excellent condition and has been well maintained by its current owner. The exterior is a sleek black, while the interior boasts a stunning green color. This car has an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The title is clean and the vehicle is paid off. The current owner built the motor block out of a Camaro with 150,000 miles and installed several new parts, including a chrome water pump, alternator, power steering pump, distributor, coil, 4-core radiator, fan, and brakes. The car also features a new 750 Holley carb, used high-rise Team G intake, new chrome brake booster, and master cylinder. The transmission was already in the car when the owner bought it 3 years ago, and it works perfectly fine with new tranny mounts. The car has new used rims and good tires. The exterior of the car has been spray-painted black and silver, while the interior remains original and untouched, except for the seat. The car runs and drives smoothly, with no significant damage or problems. This Nova is a true gem and would make an excellent addition to any classic car collection. At just $4,500, this car is a steal. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own a piece of automotive history. 11. Check out this stunning 1959 Ford Corsair convertible, currently up for sale for just $6,000. With only 40,000 miles on the odometer, this classic beauty is a true gem that's just waiting for a new owner to take her out for a spin. The exterior of this car is a dazzling white, which perfectly complements the sleek lines and curves of the Corsair's iconic design. The removable hardtop adds an extra touch of versatility, allowing you to switch between a convertible and a hardtop with ease. Under the hood, you'll find a powerful engine that starts up with ease and provides a smooth, enjoyable ride. The automatic transmission makes driving this classic car a breeze, even in today's traffic. Plus, with power brakes and power steering, you'll have all the modern conveniences you need to enjoy your time behind the wheel. The seller notes that while the car isn't perfect, it's not a major project either. There is some rocker rust, but the seller has new rockers available to replace them. The floor pans are in good shape, having been coated at some point in the past. Mechanically, this car is in great condition. The power steering return line, brake lines, cylinders, and shoes are all new, and the updated master cylinder and booster ensure that you'll have reliable stopping power. There's even a Holley intake and Edelbrock carb that have been added to give this car a little extra oomph. The exhaust gaskets will need to be replaced at some point, but the seller has included them with the car. Overall, this Ford Corsair is a fantastic find for any classic car enthusiast. With its stunning looks, reliable mechanics, and fun-to-drive nature, it's sure to turn heads wherever you go. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. 12. Attention all vintage car enthusiasts! I am thrilled to present to you this stunning 1977 MGB, which is now available for sale. This classic British roadster has been driven 100,000 miles and is still in very good condition. The exterior is a beautiful shade of red, while the interior is sleek and stylish in black. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, which runs and drives exceptionally well. This car has recently undergone some significant repairs, including new brakes, ball joints, and a front axle rebuild, as well as new U-joints, exhaust, battery, tires, and a complete service job. The car has also been undercoated to protect it from any potential rust damage. Speaking of rust, this MGB is in remarkable condition, with no significant damage or problems. The seller has confirmed that there is no history of rust repair on this vehicle, making it an excellent investment for any collector. The only minor imperfection is a small, chipped paint area on the hood, which is barely noticeable. The car also comes with a new convertible top that was installed just 2 years ago, so you can enjoy the wind in your hair as you cruise down the highway. The title is clean and the car is ready to be driven away today. For just $8,500, this MGB is an incredible value for anyone who appreciates classic cars. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history.